Alright, so we got Minecraft open. I'm in the damn OG server. Nate, formerly known as Nate Slackerman. Yep, that's me. Okay, look, shaders not on. Alright, brand new clean install of Minecraft. What version am I on? Can't see that from here. 121.11. Alright, so we're gonna quit that. First thing we're gonna go to is Fabric. Download it for Windows. Whoa, don't look at my downloads. I got crazy Minecraft stuff in there. Oh, okay. Make sure you also install Fabric API in the mods folder. So we're gonna do that. Oh, you might have to fight your antivirus. No, I don't want to open the file. I'm gonna go to the location. Oops. App data, Minecraft, mods, and then it goes in there. Right? Um, yeah, I think that worked. So we're gonna test it. Yep. Okay. I can play Fabric. So that's half of it. And then I need to download the last two mods, which should be Iris and Sodium. Alright, so now I got these two. I'm gonna take these. Minecraft. I think it goes in mods, I wanna say. Looks about right. And then we're gonna try to launch the game, see what happens. No way, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go get my shaders. I should hopefully make a shader pack folder. It's pretty much 5 minutes it took me to do this. The only things you're going to want to download before this are whatever shader pack you're going to end up using. And you have to make sure you install and run the game once. Well, yeah, I guess it's working. Yep, cool. Alright, well, there's the whole tut. Cheers, everybody. Links on my Discord.